Problem 22. Express 8 over 17 as a decimal rounded to the nearest 10 thousandths. In this problem, we need to know two things. First is how to convert a fraction to a decimal. And in order to convert a fraction to a decimal, what we do is a long division. And secondly, we need to know how to round. We need to know place values, and they want us to round it to the 10 thousandths right here. First, let's complete the division, the long division, where we're going to divide 8 by 17. How many times can we fit 17 into 8? That's impossible. That will give us a decimal. 80 divided by 17, 4 times. 4 times 17 is 68. 80 minus 68 is 12. Now we have 12 divided by 17. We are allowed to bring a 0. We have 120 divided by 17. We need to know our 17 table. And in this side, we're going to write 17 times 6, 7, maybe 7. 17 times 7. This is going to give us 119. That's less than 120. Perfect. 17 times 7 is 119. We have 1. We bring down a 0. Now, 10 divided by 17. That's impossible. That's why we're going to multiply times 0, right? 0 times 17 is 0. And 10 minus 0 is 10, right? And then we are allowed to put another 0. Remember that part. When you have a 0 in the divisor, you need to get that times 0 in order to complete the other 0. Then we can continue. 100 divided by 17, 5. 5 times 17 is half of 170, which is 85. Then 100 minus 85 is 15. Perfect. Let's continue one more digit. We need one more digit. 150 divided by 17. That will something bigger than 7. 17 times 8. 17 times 8 is 6. 136. Then an 8 will work perfectly. 8 times 17 is 136. We have 14 left. Now we go to the point where we need to round. We have 0.47058. Place value. They want us to round to the nearest 10 thousandths. The 4 is on the 10th. The 7 is on the 100th. The 0 is on the 1000th. And the 5 is the place value for the 10,000th. We need to round it to the 5. When we look to the right side of the 5, we have a 8. 8 is bigger than 5. That's why this 5 become a 6. When we round, this is 0.4706. Now our answer is the first one, right? As an extra, let's remember the place values. Right next to the decimal, we have the ones. To the left side, right? But to the right side, what we have is the tenths, which is the place value for the 4 right here. And after that, we have the 100. And then the thousandths. And then the 10 thousandths. Keep in mind your place values in order to solve this problem.